Hi friends, in this video let's see how to join in this website. Once the joining process is complete, how you can able to receive the password to your email ID. With the help of that email ID, with the help of that password, how you are going to start this work. Let's see all the procedures here. Just click this how to join register. Once this page gets open, see here, there is no registration fees. Here we are charging only 300. That 300 is only for work training videos. This work training videos will helps you to start the work, and it helps you to create the user ID and password by yourself, and you can able to know how you are going to give your account details to receive the salary. And after that, all work details in video format with step-by-step procedure. So for that purpose only we are charging this 300. After that, you have to fill up this application form. Once this application form process is done, your account will be activated within 15 minutes. So it's very easy and simple. Before filling this application form, let's see the difference between plan 1 and plan 2 and plan 3. So what is this plan 1, plan 2 and plan 3? See here, already we told we are charging 300, and what is this extra 300, 600 and 2000? So all customers are having this doubt. So that's why I have created this joining procedure video. Once you paid the 300, you will be considered as a plan 1 customer. So you no need to pay that work training video charge 300 plus plan charge 300, not like that. You have to pay only plan charges. If you pay 300, you will be considered as a plan 1 customer. Here, let's see what is the difference between plan 1, plan 2 and plan 3. Whatever the plan you choose, you can able to do beginner work, developer work and achiever work in all the three plans. So there is no difference between works in the plans. Whatever the plan you choose, works are same. So no difference in work. Then what is the difference? The only difference is support. If you choose plan 1, there is no support. That's why this charge is very less. It's 300. If you choose plan 2, then you will get a mail support from us. So the charge is 600. If you choose plan 3, you will get a mail support, call support, online support, everything. That's why the charge is 2000. So here we are charging only for the support, not for work. So don't get confused. We are charging plan 1, beginner for 300, developer 600, achiever 2000, not like that. Even if you choose plan 1, you can do beginner, developer and achiever work in plan 1 itself. But the only difference is support. So whatever the plan you choose, we will support the customer according to the plan only. If you don't want any support from us, then simply go with plan 1. But we always recommend plan 2 and plan 3, because whatever the work you start in initial stage, you should need a support. You should need a help to start that work. Otherwise, while doing the work, sometimes you may have some difficulties to do the work. So at that time, you need our help. If you join in plan 1, then sure, we will not help you. This is only work training video charge. If you join in plan 2, whatever the doubt you have, you can clarify that doubt through mail. In plan 3, you can clarify your doubt through mail, call or online, whatever it may be. So it will be more helpful in plan 3 customer. So once you decided this plan, now here you can able to see this bank details. You can pay in SBI or Indian Bank. Otherwise, if you are comfortable with Google Pay, Paytm, Phone Pay or UPI, whatever it may be, everything is available here. And one more important thing, you can simply scan this QR code and you can make the payment. That is very easy method. After that, once this process is complete, now fill up this application form. It takes just 2 minutes. Full name, date of birth, gender, education, address, email ID. After that, give your valid phone number, and here you have to choose the plan. This is most important. So whatever the amount you paid, according to that you just select the plan. After that, salary receiving method. See here, three methods are there. In which method you need your salary? If you need your salary directly to your bank account, then select bank. Otherwise, you need through Google Pay, Phone Pay or Paytm, whatever, maybe that is second option. And third option is directly check option. So here in this application form, we are not collecting your bank details and Paytm everything, because due to security reason we are not collecting here. We will collect this detail at the time of your payment. Whenever you get your payment, at that time you just provide your details, so that is enough. And here the most important thing, just attach the payment proof in JPEG or otherwise PNG, whatever the format will be, but please attach the payment proof here. That is most important. Once this process is complete, just give accept the terms and conditions. After that, give submit. Once this application form process is done, once this process gets submitted, your account will be activated within 15 minutes and you will receive the password. With the help of that password, go to this member login page. Here you can able to see all work training videos in Tamil and English language. So if you are comfortable with English, then just watch all English language videos. For example, just I'm clicking this English video, click here, see here, it requires password. This password will be, you just enter this password which you received to your email ID. So use that password to view this video. It's simple thing. This video is only for the members, not for all. Okay, this video is only for the members. So once you join, you will receive the password. So if you have any doubt in joining, you can call and clarify your doubt. Thank you.